Hi, everybody. This is the top three employees. I'm Ross, and we have here today to my right
I am Bob.
and to my left we have.
I am Stevie.
All right, today we're going to get this really cool, unbelievable science project from the Science Squad. We're going to take a look and check out. We're going to see what this is about. It's the Avalanche Mountain. Okay, so here's a little picture of what it's going to look like right there. First, let's start out with saying this is a STEM project, right there, STEM, right? And it is for, can I get to the camera there? There we go, right about there. It's for 8 plus. So if you're not 8 years old, you probably should be doing this on adult supervision. So make sure you are 8 years old or older. Thankfully for us, our three combined ages are over 8, so we should be okay for today. All right, guys?
I'm 22.
22? All right. So that makes us, we're pretty old combined. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and open up the Unbelievable Science Avalanche Mountain Kit. And first thing I notice is that it is taped. So I'm going to go ahead and need some way to open this. Stevie, you want to go ahead and hand me something to open this with here? Or Bob? One of you two over there want to grab something for me? Or I see some kind of a scissors. That'll be perfect. We'll go ahead and use these, and
It's way safer than a knife.
there you go. That's right. I like the way you think, Stevie. Safety first. Stevie is our resident safety expert here. He's going to keep us safe during this shoot here. Make sure no one gets hurt, no fingers are cut, and everyone has a good time. And I'll go ahead and put that back together like so. Go ahead and put that one we're working on right now right in front of there. All right, so looks like we have a nice little package here. Gonna open this up. Oh, it looks like it comes with a lot of stuff here. Looks like we have.
Wow, it's a lot smaller than I imagined.
Really? You think so?
Yeah.
Well, it's all about perspective, huh? So looks like we have our Avalanche Mountain here, and we have, ooh, what is this? Our Avalanche Top. Oh, that's fascinating, huh? Then we have our, ooh, this is our snow, our little snow kit maker here. Snow powder. And we have our scoop, and it looks like we have some wonderful instructions here we're going to be able to use, huh?
Well, let's see how this goes.
Oh, wow, we can make our own snow, and looks like it's just simply 4 steps.
Wow, so simple.
All right, so let's create an avalanche, guys. Let's do it. Top the employees. I think we can get this taken care of, right? Step 1, cover your work area with newspapers or sheet of paper towel and wear old clothes or a smock. Make sure your work area is an easy to clean surface. So it looks like we have that prepared right here with this nice plastic mat right here. So it looks like we are good to go. Wearing pretty old clothes here. Same clothes I typically don't go to work in because they're old. We have to go to work in business suits and ties, right, gentlemen?
Yeah.
All right. Step 2 here. Going to go ahead and place 2 scoops of instant snow powder on the top of the mountain. So we're going to go ahead and get our scoop out here and our snow powder.
I'm excited to see this happen.
So am I, Bob. Going to need another little way to open this up here. Pair of snippers. Thank you, Steve-O. He is also our equipment manager. He has all our equipment. So we need to open this.
I'm the general manager. I make sure Bob doesn't mess around.
Steve is
He doesn't mess around.
Bob is over there in commentary. He is our enforcer there, making sure everyone stays in line here
And safe.
and safe. So we need 2 scoops of instant snow powder on the top of the mountain. So we're gonna go ahead and go ahead and pour this in. It might be a little easier for us here, right, guys?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead and pour this in. So there's 1 scoop. All right, let's make sure it's a nice big scoop there. All right, that looks good, right? 1
That
scoop.
looks like a lot of sugar.
It does look like sugar, but this is the kind of stuff that you do not put in your mouth. That's why it's 8 plus.
I will
Warning,
that.
8 plus. Because they don't want this stuff going in your mouth. That would not be good. Disclaimer, do not put this stuff in your mouth. And make sure you do this at home with adult supervision if you are under the age of 8 years old. And if you're over 8 too, depending upon who you are, I suppose. 2 scoops of 1 scoop. So I'm going to go ahead and pour another scoop here for scoop number 2. Go ahead and pour that in right there. And you know what? That might actually be the whole packet.
Wow.
They should actually just say pour the whole packet in there.
They should have.
I even need a scoop. All right, so go ahead
No
and
reason to say scoop.
pour that in there. pack that down. And then we're on to our equipment manager, Steve E. All right, step 3, add 4 fluid ounces of room temperature water to the snow on top of the mountain. 4 fluidic ounces. All right, equipment manager Stevie, gonna need a, want to get that little measuring cup right there. Yep, you just want to put in 4 ounces of warm water. Well, our equipment manager Stevie is going over there and getting our product to make our snow avalanche here. Bob and I were having a discussion yesterday about superheroes, and I believe our discussion ended with is which superheroes can go back in time. And I said one would be the Flash.
Yes.
Because he can travel
Really fast.
faster than the speed of light. And 2, that would be Superman. But he disagreed with me and didn't think that Superman can actually go back into time.
Because I agree. If you spin the Earth around, does that really does that really reverse time? Or are you just making the Earth spin the opposite direction?
Well, as I recall, in the very first Superman movie, that with the best Superman I feel there is Christopher Reeve, he flew up into the atmosphere and circled the Earth several times backwards and made the Earth rotation change, thus going back in time and bringing back Lois Lane before she got crushed in that mountain. If you guys recall that from the 1980, 84, 85 Superman, the original, one of the best and the greatest Superman.
That might work.
Oh, now he says that might work now.
Might
he's
work,
simple
though,
on now, so he's changed his mind now.
It's just a circle, so I'm not positive it's gonna work. The Flash had to pass light speed and go in a straight line to reverse time, and he traveled to a different galaxy. All Superman did was go around the Earth a different direction. It's like a car; it just turned around.
All right. Well, if I have my belief system, and I'm going to go ahead and stick to it, I feel that Superman can reverse and go back into time.
But I will let you agree with that. I do not want to have an argument with you, Rob.
If anyone else out there knows the other superheroes who are able to go back into time, please go ahead and let us know your thoughts, because I think this will be an interesting topic of conversation. Well, right now, looks like our equipment expert here has gone and got us 4 ounces of water, as you can see on this. Measuring cup. There's a wonderful measuring device here. 4 ounces of water. Is it lukewarm water?
Yeah.
Perfect. Wonderful. Go ahead. Now it says step 4 here. Let's review we're going to have ourselves here. Step 4, watch as the snow powder instantly expands. So we will, step 3, add 4 ounces of room temperature water to the snow on top of the mountain. And then step 4, watch as the snow powder instantly expands. So
You tried to skip a step, Rob?
yes, well, the 4 is not really a step, it is an observation.
I got my notebook ready. I'm ready for this observation.
Here we go. Are we ready for this?
I'm ready.
All right, let's listen really close. We get a nice, good view of this expanding snow here. Let's take a look and see what happens. All right, so does it say pour slowly or anything? Nope, it does not. It just says pour it on top. All right, so here we go. Let's watch some magic happen, guys.
Whoa, it's already expanding.
Oh, is that cool or what? Wow, look at that.
It looks like smoke.
Ooh, avalanche! Avalanche!
That's actually really cool.
Ah.
It looks like bubbles. It does. I like it. I like it.
It actually kind of looks more like a volcano.
Kinda.
Yeah.
And that is our water.
And it turns into snow when the water disintegrates, looks like.
It does. It's actually turning into different
Color.
color here. It's actually more white now. Would you agree, guys?
Yes, I would
Yeah.
agree.
Yeah.
That would be a snowy mountain if there was more snow on the entire surrounding part.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. So this is the unbelievable science Avalanche Mountain. I'm going to go ahead and turn around here. There's actually some more avalanche on the other side. So it actually literally does look like
That's
snow.
Mountain.
It does look like snow. There we go. Get a nice clear view of that. Look at that. Is that pretty cool or what? Okay.
That looks just like real
You
snow.
can pick it up and oh, that's pretty cool, huh?
Tumbles more than regular snow though.
So I wonder if I can make a snowball and bink Bob with it here on the forehead here, huh?
You'll never
What
be
do you
able
think?
to. That stuff breaks
Huh?
every 2 seconds.
I think you're right. Oh, here's a big one here. I get this one. I'll throw this one at him. All right. So, all right, guys. That's our video for the Avalanche Mountain Unbelievable Science. Top 3 employees here. I'm Ross.
I am Bob.
I'm Stevie.
It almost seemed like you forgot your name there, bud. All right. And we'll see you next time, guys. All right.
Goodbye.
See ya.